How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is the newest vehicle to hit our lot. It's a 2022 Ford Escape SE. I'm going to go over, do a quick video, talk about some of the features and interior and exterior. So let's hop right into it. And starting out front, you get this nice Oxford white paint code and paint color on this. I think it looks really nice with the whole car in general. You kind of get the sporty front end. Reminds me a lot of a Fusion front end. So you kind of get like, the sporty front end with the SUV in the back. So it's both, sporty and practical. You get these nice LED headlights with the black housing, black accents down here in the grille, and it's down here as well. Just overall, I think it complements the look of the car very well. Okay, starting on the exterior, the side of the car now, it is an all-wheel drive system, which would be perfect for winter weather, snowy weather, rain, anything like that. You're also going to get some nice 17-inch tires with some nice all-season purpose tires on them. 17-inch wheels, my bad. But 17-inch wheels with those all-purpose tires. Again, matches really well with the all-wheel drive. Right here, you're going to get monitor detection on the side mirror, so that if anyone's in your blind spot, it's going to kind of throw a little yellow dot at you on the side mirror, so you know not to come into the next lane. Keyless remote entry to get inside, and again, you get this nice white paint coat. Right down here, you're gonna get the black at the bottom. This is gonna help, so if any rock chips or rocks kind of throw up, it doesn't chip your paint, it hits that first. Just an added touch, kind of helps save your paint. But come along the side, again, it has a really nice body line, I think. Just adds to that sporty feel. It is a mid-size SUV, so again, gives you kind of everything you need in a smaller SUV fashion. Okay, finishing off the exterior in the back and the tailgate. So to open up the tailgate, all you gotta do is hit this button, open this up, and you'll see just how much space you have down here. You can also fold those back seats down, give you more space if need be. You can lift this up, and you have your tire pressure kit, as well as just some overall more storage space in case you need something under here you kind of want tucked away. Perfect little spot for it. Okay, coming into the exterior now, we're now in the back seat. You can see how much space you have back here. This is going to be kind of a two-tone style interior with the lighter cloth seating and the black pretty much everywhere else. Black carpet, black door cards, and all that. Again, really nice kind of compact SUV. Gives you everything you need in a smaller shape and feel. Finishing off the exterior up here, you kind of get these nice patterned seats. And like I said, it kind of has a two-tone up here with the dash and the seats as well. Just an overall nice feel. You kind of get some storage down here along with the cup holders. Your shifters down here as well. You get this nice infotainment system. This is going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, radio, pretty much everything you need. A bunch of the settings for the vehicle are also in here as well. You have some of your controls for the infotainment system right here, as well as your climate control. But just an overall nice feeling here. If you've been in a Ford, they're all somewhat similar, but they do it right, so that, there's not much to change when you do it right. You have all your buttons right here. This is going to control the infotainment system if you want to make a call, end a call, stuff like that. It's also going to control the cruise control, everything like that. It's also going to have some of the buttons to control the dash and switch through some of the settings on the dashboard as well. What? Thank you. See, he likes it. I was tired of dealing with it. It was either that or a buzz cut. Oh yeah, maybe that'll come in the summer. And if you have any more questions that I haven't already answered, or you think that this vehicle might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call. Come on in. Take it for a test drive, anything like that. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.